Sons of the West, red, white, and blue, we come out snarling, bulldogs through and through. Bulldogs bite and bulldogs roar, we give our very best. But you can't beat the boys of the bulldog breed, the team of the mighty West. Okay.